Removing a Volkswagen infotainment system requires careful attention to detail and the right tools. We'll walk through each step systematically to ensure safe removal without damaging your vehicle's interior. Step 1. Remove the dashboard trim. Use plastic trim removal tools to carefully detach the trim panels surrounding the infotainment unit. These tools prevent scratches and damage to your dashboard's finish. Step 2. Insert radio removal keys. These special tools slide into slots on the unit's face. Push them in until you hear or feel them click, then gently pull the unit forward to release it from the security cage. Step 3. Disconnect all connectors. Carefully unplug the power connector, speaker wires, antenna cable, and USB connections from the back of the unit. Look for release tabs or pins that need to be pressed before pulling the connectors free. Step 4. Special considerations. For newer models with digital cockpits, additional display connections may need disconnection. Be aware that some systems have component protection requiring special coding tools. Always handle connectors gently and note their positions for proper reinstallation. The infotainment unit removal is now complete. Remember to keep all connectors organized and handle the unit carefully to avoid damage. Proper preparation and the right tools make this process straightforward and safe. When replacing a VW infotainment system, compatibility is the most critical factor. Not all systems work with every VW model, and choosing the wrong unit can lead to functionality issues or complete system failure. Volkswagen's latest MIB4 platform represents a significant upgrade over previous generations. It offers faster processing speeds, enhanced graphics quality, and improved voice recognition compared to the older MIB3 system. Modern replacement systems should support wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay for seamless smartphone integration. These features eliminate the need for cables and provide a more convenient user experience. Be prepared for potential software glitches with new installations. Volkswagen actively provides software updates to address these issues, so ensure your replacement system can receive over-the-air updates. Looking ahead, future VW infotainment systems will incorporate artificial intelligence for enhanced personalization, learning your preferences for climate control, seat positions, and driving modes. Enhanced voice and gesture control will become more prevalent, allowing for hands-free operation. These systems will understand natural language commands and respond more accurately to user requests. Digital audio broadcasting will provide enhanced sound quality and access to additional radio stations. Smart home integration will allow seamless connection between your vehicle and home automation systems. Based on customer feedback, Volkswagen may reintroduce physical buttons for volume and climate control in future models. This addresses user preferences for tactile controls while maintaining the benefits of digital interfaces.